YouTube, it's your boy Mass Money, and man, I didn't think it would come to this, man. I didn't think I had to expose these guys like this, man. Teambull, man. I was liking these guys in the beginning, man. Like I didn't want to, I want to do a video with them in the future, but like today was like the last straw for me, man. I've been in this group for a couple of months, and there's this guy named Grizzly in the group, and like, to be honest, like he puts out some good plays, but there's times he had bad plays too. And when he puts out bad plays, the people in the group try to cover for him. So, oh, he's got more wins than losses and stuff. I'm like, I don't care, man. Today was a bad loss, bro. This guy played puts when the market was going to be super bullish. He decided to go on puts until the whole Discord that a lot of people were in like, you know, I knew it was a bad sign to trade this morning with them when the owner Jdun was not in there. He was not in there. Nobody made any mentions. See, Jdun, he done made so much money. He don't have to come trade every day. He used to make so much money, so he lets his little minions, aka admins, run the group. But that Grizzly guy does not hit it out the park all the time, man. He can't even get his audio and all that situation set for morning trading. The guys are not prepared. He's too busy doing features and making a whole bank while people in the Discord are struggling. Nobody wants to do no damn features. You got a lot of people who are new in the stock market. They don't know anything about no future. They just want to come on here and do some trade and make something. Like I know that most people ain't gonna get rich, but come on, we should be making money. Like spending $125 a month, $200 a month on this Discord group, and you get your ass handed. It's not right. I've been in this group for a while. I had some wins, but it's very little, and I can't even remember the games because I done lost the money back eventually. But I don't know, like the Jdun guy, he's cool. He's a nice person, got cool personality and all that stuff. The Brandon Trades guy, I don't care for that guy. That guy's a douchebag, liberal, douche rat. I don't even talk about it. It's just, he's a D-bag. I had issues with him in the past. And he's not even all that good at trading either. He's had bad plays too. Even the Grizzly guy is probably better than him. But Grizzly dude, sometimes you can't even hear him, and he's like say if he does a bad trade, he's like in a rush to go somewhere. Like, where are you going? You're getting paid thousands of dollars to be an admin in a Teambull. You're supposed to be there and making sure your whole team wins, not just you. They get their little $2,000 or whatever they make, and like, oh, I'm done for a day, I'm gone. While people out here are struggling, you know, like miss a trade, that's it. They don't try to, but I mean, they put out trades throughout the day. Like they'll have the guy named Green Eyes puts out trades, but you can't do trades like following alerts, because by the time you put the alert out, it's too late. That Green Eyes guy, he scalps so freaking quick. He'll scalp a damn 10-cent move or some shit. Be like, oh, it's a victory. I'm like, no. Some people can't even get filled and get out in time to even collect profits. It's not worth it chasing those. So the only thing that's worth it in the Discord is the voice. If you get in the Discord, it doesn't have voice. Get out of it, man. There's other good Discords out there. I'll do videos for that. But as far as like the live voice, I thought this was gonna be the best one. But I hate to say it, man. It's just like today was bad. And it's not only today. That Grizzly guy has bad plays in the past, but I ignored it because a lot of the plays in the past I didn't even jump in them because I just know. But for some reason, something told me that I shouldn't jump into a trade. But I still jumped into. I gave Grizzly a chance, and then this guy picks puts off a little shortly after open. That's why you can't trade at open. Is because you don't know the direction of the market. You do not want to trade as soon as the market opens, because that thing will turn around 180 and it'll go that direction for the rest of the day. The market was bullish as hell today. Stayed up in the 380s, 381. It would not come back down. It came back down for a slight few minutes back to 379 SPY, but most of the time SPY has been above 380. So if you would have bought calls, you would have banked today. But no, I bought puts and got wrecked. I got wrecked on both accounts. So I gotta take some time off and healing, get my shit back. But I can't do like this no more, man. If you guys want a good Discord, look out for Money Time Machine. They don't do day trades, but they do swings, and their swings are good. I made money off their swings. It'll get your account back. You know, sometimes you don't have to trade every day. I used to think, oh, I have to trade every day. You don't have to trade any day. Now that's probably better off just do maybe one trade a day. You look for the big setups, the big plays. But yeah, man, Teambull, I think this is it for me. I'm not going to renew my subscription. I'm going to let it run out. Been with these guys for 3 to 4 months, and I hate to do it, but it's time for me to go, man. Like, there's no point in me. Yeah, I made money in the past, but if I'm going to lose all my gains like that quick, you know. And some part of it is my fault because I did try to double down the contracts. At first, I didn't know the market was going to go up either, but still, he didn't tell nobody to get out or nothing like that. Say, hey, this is not looking good. That's his job. He's supposed to go through, like us. We're paying these people. They could have went in the charts and said, oh no, this is not good. You guys need to get out. No. Why are we paying you if you're not going to tell us that? We got to figure everything out. If we're going to figure out everything out ourselves, we should not be paying them $125 a month. Because you can buy any course on YouTube for $300 and it'll teach you everything about the stock market. We're paying for the damn live voice alerts, letting know what plays you're in so we can get in this similar plays and make money too. That's the whole point of paying you guys. Well, that's why are we paying? Who's going to pay $125 a month, $200 a month to learn how to trade? Doesn't make sense. There's like way better courses out there. You can pay $300. It'll teach you how to trade from A to Z. You got Carmine, you got Day Trading Addict. Those are the best people, the best courses you can get to learn how to trade stocks. But if you're paying somebody monthly, you should be getting more than just here, do this, do that. You need to get live voice trading. And I'm in this play, but okay, you're making this money. We need to make that money too. I'm not saying I need to make the same amount of money you're making, but the same percentages or making money, not losing money. You know. That's it for now. I know I'm going to get a lot of dislikes and hate comments. I don't care. Bring it. Because I'm going to roast those little admins too, the little ass kissers in that damn group. So every time when the admin screws up, they're like, oh no, it's okay. He's got so many wins, so it's okay to lose a whole bunch of money. No. Don't care. Stop making excuses for these guys. They need to humble up. You notice that Jdun hasn't even put out a video tonight. He puts out a video every day. Did not put out a video. These guys are hiding. You know they messed up. They're going to pretend they're going to sweep this thing under the rug and not even mention the losses that people lost today in the Teambull Discord. You want to be transparent, you know. But if not, I'm keeping this video up, man. So let the haters come, man. I'm ready. I love getting into arguments with people, man. That's my thing. I don't care. You can call it hating all you want. We're all trying to make money in this thing, but I'm not gonna let nobody get finessed and pay you guys. You guys are making bang. You got over 1,000 people in that Discord. Pay anywhere from $125 a month to $200. You add it up, 1,000 people. That's $100,000 a month. Come on, that's sick. All right. That's it for today. Like and subscribe. Remember, if it don't make money, it don't make sense. Peace out.